And today is Tuesday, and we're looking at gold as usual on the 4-hour chart. And today is important because we have some high impact news coming out in about 15 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes. The PPI manufacturing data is coming out, and that is high impact news. So we could see some movement on gold. What happened yesterday? Well, yesterday I had the buy limit at 23.40. And that did open, the pending order opened. So I was in a buy trade. We went up to the high yesterday was 23.48, so 80 pips in profit. Then it did come down below the entry point a little bit, but did not hit the stop loss. And now today we're not really doing very much. Moved up a little bit, down a little bit, and we're waiting for the news. But not only the news, the high impact news in about 15 minutes, that's the PPI manufacturing data, and that will have an impact on the movement of gold because it's paired with the US dollar. But the main thing that we need to be concerned about, in about 2 hours, Jerome Powell will be speaking. And we know he always shakes up the markets. We never know what he's going to say. Sometimes he doesn't know what he's going to say. He just brings us words of wisdom about what the U.S. economy is going to be doing. So we never know. It can always, really go crazy sometimes. The market will move when Jerome Powell is speaking. So we need to be very cautious. And that's in about 2 hours from now, 1 hour and 45 minutes from now. Jerome Powell will be speaking. And that's definitely going to influence the movement of gold. Of course, the first thing we have is this PPI data coming out in about 15 minutes, and we'll see which direction it will go. I still have the same information. I have my entry point 2340. I'm holding that trade from yesterday. And the entry point, if I should take another trade, will be 2340, but I will wait for the news first. And then I will wait to see what Jerome Powell is going to do. We never know. Gold could go crashing down or it could go up like a rocket. We don't know. But with this trade that I've had, I'm expecting that we are going to see continuing rising prices with gold because gold is bullish. We are neutral on the day chart, but bullish on the 4-hour chart. So I'm bullish on gold. And I believe that we're going to see some higher prices after we saw this really big move up last week, right? Thursday and Friday last week, 750 pips move up. I'm expecting we're going to continue to see higher prices. And that's why I'm very positive about this trade that I took yesterday and holding the trade to the take profit of 2,400. Okay, so my entry yesterday was 2,340, 2340, and I'm holding that for the take profit 2,400. We have resistance at 2366. That's our first level of resistance up here, 2366. And then the next level is 2377. If we should come down, we have support at 2331. That's just right a little bit lower than we were this week. That's where we got to last week. 2331 is our first level of support. Next level of support will be 2320. Okay, with this high impact news today, just be cautious. All right, don't be greedy. Don't chase the candles. After the news comes out, it's best to wait and see what the market is going to do. See how the market will digest the news. See what the market sentiment is going to be. And especially wait until we see what Jerome Powell is going to be saying before we have clear direction on the movement of gold. All right. Okay, I wish you all the best for trading for today's session, and I will see you again tomorrow at the same time. This is Rick Ray signing off.